Today we're going to sharpen this impressive knife, and it's not very sharp, has some nicks in the blades. We'll start with a 120 belt and get it that far. Okay, now we'll move on to a 600 grit belt. We've got an apex, and now we're going to refine it. Next, we're going to go to a felt belt, and we're going to use it first to get some of the burr off before we even start sharpening, or before we even start stropping with it. Okay, next, we're going to strop with a leather belt, and this will be our final step. Okay, I think that's probably pretty sharp. As Crocodile Dundee would say, now that's a knife.